In this video, we're gonna learn German for beginners. This will be the session 2 in English, and today we will learn nouns and pronouns. Just like in English, it's I, you, we, they, like this. So we'll learn it in German. So let's start. The first one is ich. In English, it's I, myself. The German will be ich. And the next one is du. It's mean you. You can be anyone who is talking to you or standing in front of you, and it can be a 20-year boy, 50-year boy. Next one is er. It's mean he. It's mean boy. It can be also a man and a boy or an elder. So they don't have any like for small or big. It's just er and z. Z for she, for girls, for women. And we have another Z for learning. This we'll learn in next some topics. So next one is S. It mean it. Just like in English, it's a chair or it's TV. In Deutsch, es ist Fernseher. And then is wir. Wir mean is we are, we many people, like 5 people, 3 people. Z. So this Z was that I was talking about. This Z, it's mean they, many people, but you can get a very good translation from they. They will be Z in English, and in German it will be Z. So another Z is for respect and for strangers. You don't know anyone, you will talk with him like Z. Wie heißen Sie means what is your name. So next one is ihr. It's mean you all. So after this we will learn Nomengrupens, just like some personal pronouns. How many personal pronouns are in Deutsch? Number 1 is masculine. The article is der. In English we use all the man, the woman, but in German it is different. Masculine der, feminine die. For example, if it's der man or der Mann, and in English it will be the man, and woman will be die Frau, but in English it will be also the woman. So this you have to learn with. Next one is neutrum. It's mean das. It's mean in English it's mean neutral, not a man, not a woman. And the next one is plural. Plural it will be in Deutsch. And what is the article of plural? It's die. So you have to learn every noun with the article, then you will gonna have a good grip on Deutsch. And thanks for watching the video. If you have any question related this video or related German, then you can ask in comment box and let us explain you in the same day, inshallah. So let's wait for the next video.